So Mr. Sarthak, Pythagoras theorem. Now one thing that I want to specify about Pythagoras theorem is usually this is what people suggest, that Pythagoras theorem is a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is the definition that we won't use ever. What we will use? One thing is that Pythagoras theorem is only applicable for right triangles. Right triangles. Mr. Sarthak, what is a right triangle?
So a triangle that has a right angle.
Shabash. So one angle should be 90 degree. Now, very basic thing that you need to understand is the side, opposite 90 degree is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Mr. Satya, any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So let us try to understand this. What am I saying about hypotenuse? So, Mr. Sarthak, if I take these two examples, E, F, G, this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Mr. Sarthak, in this triangle, which is hypotenuse? Which side is hypotenuse?
So BC and FG.
So there is only one hypotenuse. There is only one hypotenuse. Acha, in this triangle here. In this triangle, it is BC, shabash. And in this triangle, this would be FG. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, the side which is opposite 90 degree would be the hypotenuse. Now, this is confirmed. One side is taken to be perpendicular, the other is taken to be base. I'm sorry, one side is taken to be perpendicular. Let me make some space. P perpendicular, and the other side is taken to be the base. Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Araman, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
See, if the triangle is like this, then this would be the perpendicular, this is the base. A perpendicular is also called altitude. This is another name that you might meet sometime. Perpendicular and altitude are same. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Araman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Are we clear about the definitions, the perpendicular, base, and the hypotenuse?
Yes, sir, very clear.
So this would be hypotenuse always. This would be hypotenuse always. Now, if I have a triangle like this, then I can say this to be perpendicular. So this would become the base. Otherwise, I can say this as base and this will become the perpendicular. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Because what I want you to remember is, because I have told you not to use this, so what you need to remember is that p square plus b square is h square. This is a definition that you should cram. Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So let us review what we have discussed till now. So we'll take these decent enough triangles which are in, when I say decent triangles, what I'm trying to say is that you can clearly see the perpendicular, the base, the hypotenuse. So this is the nice boy triangle that I have. A, B, C. This is the 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular. This is the base. So what does Mr. Pythagoras say? He says that hypotenuse square would be equal to p square plus b square. You can write this also as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You can write this as hypotenuse square is equal to B square plus P square also. Mr. Ariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
But please do not use the definition A square plus B square is equal to C square. This leads to a lot of confusion later, and then it becomes very difficult to explain. Mr. Sarthak, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we can take few examples to understand. I'll rub off this. One second. So I'll start with very basic example so that you just get the hang of it. So for example, this is 4. I'm sorry, this is 3, this is 4, and this is a 90 degrees. The triangle is ABC. So I want to find H. So what is H? H square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Mr. Arman, any doubt?
So he left.
Okay, he left. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So H square would be equal to 9 plus 16. H square would be equal to 25. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, H square is 25. And as per our previous lecture, H would be equal to root 25. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
And how do we find the square root of 25, Mr. Sarthak?
So we'll take out the prime factor, find the prime factors of 25.
Yes.
So it will be 2, 5. So the square, it will be 5.
Shabash. So this would be H is equal to 5 into 5, and the answer would be 5. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So that is why we had started with this square root. This is what we have done in the previous lecture. Because when you are doing Pythagoras, you will be requiring square roots in every question. Let us take another example. So, for example, let me take now any number, or maybe let us take a question from your book. 1 second. Yes. Can you see the PDF?
Yes, sir.
So, can you see it clearly now?
Yes, sir.
So, this is 5, this is 12. I want to find x. So, x square would be equal to 5 square plus 12 square. This would be 25 plus 144. This would be 169. Mr. Sarthak, x would be?
So 169's prime factors.
Yes. Now, as you start doing the questions, you will slowly start remembering the squares of the numbers. So, the square root of 169 would be equal to 13. And the answer is 13. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Let us take this example. Now here, again, when we use Pythagoras, 15 square plus a square would be equal to 17 square. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
So Satya.
I'm sorry, Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, this is 225 plus a square is equal to 289. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
You solve for a square, this would be 4, this would be 6. Therefore, a would be equal to root of 64. And then you do the prime factorization, you will
So 16.
You will find the answer to be 8. Why 8? Because 8 square is 64. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, what I'll do is I'll send you few simple questions. Few simple questions about Pythagoras. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And what I'll suggest is do these simple questions first. Do them first. Once you are confident with these simple questions, the second thing that you can do is do your textbook questions. Textbook questions. Because if you try to do these questions first, you will get confused or at least disheartened. Arthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So start with the simple questions. Start with the simple questions. Only then look at these questions. Otherwise, you will get very confused. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, ठीक है.